Hello and welcome to Playtime 3. Today we will be working with page 5. We will be using grids. This is our grid. Let's start using it right away. There are 9 squares on our grid. Can you count backwards? Let's count backwards from 9 to 1. Come on, let's do it together. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Brilliant as always. Now, I'm sure you remember how to use our grid. So let's start off by matching 2 grids together. Can you remember how? That's right. We place our 2 grids side by side like this. One has the numbers 1 to 9 placed on it in the right order. The other has the numbers 1 to 9 placed on it backwards, just like we had it before. That's correct, just like that. Now we are going to match the numbers on our grid. Take a long, hard look at our second grid. Try and remember exactly where the numbers are placed. Now we are going to remove the numbers from the grid just like this. And I'm going to see if you can remember where the numbers were placed. Now, can you remember on which square the number 6 was placed on our second grid? Come on, think about it. If the number 6 is here on this grid, where was it placed on the other grid? You think it was there? Let's see if you were right. Were you right? Okay, let's try another number. How about the number 2? The number 2 is placed here on this grid. So, on our other grid, which square would have contained the number 2? Right there? Let's see. Good! Now we are going to jumble up the numbers on the second grid, just like this. Now we are going to make the numbers disappear once again. Can you remember where the numbers were? Let's see. On what square was number 1? Number 1 is here on this grid. What square contained number 1 on our second grid? Maybe here? Let's see if I'm right. Yes! And how about number 7? Where was number 7 placed? Good! Now, are the 2 grids looking similar at all? Is there anything the same about the 2 grids? Let's do 2 more numbers and we'll see. Number 9. Now, where was number 9? Number 9 was there. Good. And how about number 2? Number 2, I think, was there. Am I right? Great. Have you realized anything about the 2 grids yet? On moving around the numbers on the second grid, I put them in the same squares as they are placed on the first grid. You did notice that, didn't you? I know you did. Bye-bye for now.